Good morning, students. Sairam. We have completed our first book, which is Principles and Function of Management. We have completed our 8 chapters. So, students, let's start our revision from this video. Okay, so in this video, we are going to start or do the practice of case studies of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. Let's start. First question is, the floor manager of a mall is very good manager as he utilizes all the functions of management to minimize the cost of maintenance of his area. He directs all the staff member under him to follow the target, advises them to put their efforts in the direction of achieving of these targets. Under his guidance, the employee admit that they learn a lot and are able to meet their target. This has leads to the increase in their salary. Identify the importance of management highlighted above. So students, what are the advantages which are discussed here? So number 1 is the management increases efficiencies. A floor manager of a mall is a very good manager as he utilizes all the functions of management to minimize the cost of maintenance in that portion. So we can say that the number one, the first importance of management which fulfill here is management increases efficiency because it increases his efficiency. Second, the second importance, management helps to fulfill their goals. And what are their goals? He directs all the staff members under him to follow targets and advise them to put their effort in the direction of achievement of these targets. So that we can say that this in this case study this point is also covered. Okay, now next, which is comes under helps in achieving personal objective. Look here in this, the last point, it increases their salary, so his personal objective is also achieved there. So we can say that these 3 points are the importance of management which is highlighted in the case study. Okay, understood. Now next case study, ABCD increases is a company which deals with the providing car services at home and on road. These are the different departments in their human resource and marketing, finance, research and development, and operation. The top management of the companies try its level best to synchronize the activity. Look, synchronize. Okay, synchronize the activities of the different departments in the best possible manner. The result is the increased efficiency and attainment of goals. However, the passing of time, the size of a company has grown. Look student, size of a company has grown. Okay, now there are many branches of the company. The synchronization has turned into more important, and the number of employees means number of employees are also increasing. The departmental heads of the company are specialists in their respective areas, and the top level management tries to work with them, not with authority, by respecting their values, their views on the subject, and their egos clashes are avoided. Look student, ego clashes are also avoided for the smooth function. So which concept discussed here? Synchronization related to coordination. So the concept which is discussed here is coordination. And what are the importance of coordination which is discussed here? Two benefits: increase in size and specialization. Specialization means it helps to remove the ego clashes. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Now next question is, Pakka Employment is a company which take care of the fact that the confidence of employees should always be its peak. For this reason, they give surety to their employees for employment for a minimum fixed tenure of time. Which principles of management is followed here? What is the what is the main thing which discussed here? Let's read it again. Pakka Employment is a company which take care of the fact of that confidence confidence of employee, okay, should always be at its peak. For this reason they give surety of their employee for employment for a minimum fixed of tenure or time, where the tenure of time is written, so that which shows it the stability of employee in an organization. Okay, so stability of personnel, this is the principle which is discussed here. Now next one is a floor manager of a mall is very capable as he utilize all the functions of management. Okay, he is very capable and do all the functions. He lays stress on developing mutual trust and spirit. Look, this is a hint of cooperation amongst the employee. Under his guidance, the employee admitted that they learn lot and are able to meet their target. This has leads to increase their salary, because due to the spirit and trust, this increases their salary. Identify the fuels principle. Spirit the corp, yes. Okay, now next question is, Suresh work in a bulb manufacturing company. Each bulb which is manufactured of standard size and quality. Further, if there is any unrequired type of bulb manufactured, then its production is stopped. Last month, when the company came to know that the 10-watt bulbs were no more liked by customers, their production was stopped. Okay, he works in the purchase department. His job is to purchase the filament required to make bulb. This time when he purchases the filament, he gets the instruction from the seller that some special need care to be taken in the first hour of fixing filament inside the bulb. Suresh knows this information should be given immediately to the production department before assembling process start. However, he finds that his company's policies only allow him to give the message to his boss immediately boss, who will further passes this message to the boss. The passing of this message continue till it reach to the desired person in the production department. Look student, this is what is this show. He wants to pass a problem, okay, any information, but he passes step by step. Okay, the process is too long. Then what process is discussed here? You should know it. Okay, so the passes of this message will continue till it reach the desired person in the production department. Which technique of management is followed here? Yes, and also name the principle of management followed by the company, and which option is now. If he want to interact to the person directly, then what the concept, what the option which he get. Now the first technique is simply standardization, because in this question, look student, the quality, the size remain the same. So the concept which is discussed, the each bulb manufactured in a is of standard size and quality, means the size and quality is remain same and is standardized. Now simplification, if there is any unrequired type of bulb manufactured, then it is stopped. So this line shows that, look in this line shows that it is there will be a simplification. Now which management concept, the principle of management which is followed, he passes the information. The process of passing information is too long, then one person to another to third. So what is followed? Scalar chain. But if he want to pass the information directly immediately, so what the option he is available now? What the option he get? Gangplank. Because if we want to talk directly to the another department, so that the same level department managers talk to each other, so the gangplank is the last option for him. Next one is, Bhatka Enterprise is facing huge losses. The owner of the company is an MBA pass out. Even then, many things in the organization are happens which are indicative the lack of proper management in the company. First of all, there is no specific sharing of work. Look student, no specific sharing of work, and anytime any employee is asked to do anything. Look, anytime any employee asked to do anything, this leads to the wastage of effort. Further, due to negligence in proper work sharing, there has been no specialization department development in the nature of job done by the employees. There are no clear and fair agreement between the worker and the management. This leads to the lots of frustration in the workers. The management has quite often been found to be ignorant of not fulfilling promises done by it. There are also no strict rules and regulation binding in the conduct of workers. The departmental heads, who are the middle level managers in the company and hold key position, always favor their relatives. Okay, always favor their relatives. They quite often don't turn up for job on time. They are always looking for a special relaxation from the top management. This has leads to the feeling of resentment among the employees, who are also demanding the special favor and threatening strike in the coming days. Identify the principles of fuel which is violated in the above case. The first, there is no division of work. Okay, the first one is there is no division of work and there is no discipline in their work. So who are the which are the principles of fuel which is violate here? Division of work and discipline. Now in third paragraph, the case of principle of fuel which is violated: subordination of individual interest to general interest. Like in this third paragraph, he give relaxation to his relatives. So here, what is this? This is also the violation of principle of fuel, which is subordination of individual interest to general interest. Students, I hope you all have understood all these case studies. Start doing case study. If there is any problem, ask to me personally. Okay students, thank you. Sairam.